Hi, I'm Leanne. Today I'm doing a review of the Stephen Joseph Kid Dino Suitcase. So a few cool features: extendable handle. There's no latch on this. It just comes up and down easily. This also can slide onto the top of a bigger roller bag. So you would put the larger roller handle through here. So if your child got tired of pulling it in the airport, it could go onto your bag. There's a place here you can get it embroidered with their name, which is fun. Lots of pouches. It's extremely lightweight. I'm not sure the exact weight, but it's very light. It's 18 inches high, 14 inches wide, and just really cute. I mean, lots of place for storage. You've got zipper pouches on both sides. And then I'll show you the middle pouch. It lays flat to open, lots of room. You have a mesh pouch up here as well. So this is a product, my kids love this. My 2-year-old can pull it up and down the hallway with no problem. And he loves to do that and pretend like he's going on a trip. But this is a kid product we really like and enjoy. I do recommend it.